Hey guys, welcome back to Struggleville YouTube channel. For this video, we're going to take a look at this TopShak pressure washer. It is from Bang Good. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. They were also nice enough to give us a promo code, so if after watching this video you decide this item is for you, we will have that link down below with the promo code. You see it comes with the pressure washer hose with this reel up here. We have the on-off switch right in the front. We have both of our connections for the garden hose and the pressure washer hose. On the side, we have the hanger for the power cable. It is on wheels, so we can roll around. It's always nice when everything is all enclosed. We have a little detergent or soap bottle at the bottom that you can take out, fill it up, and slide it back in here. Two-handed. And it comes with 5 nozzles as well as this little storage rack to hold them. We have the 40 degree, the 25 degree, the 0 degree, the 15 degree, and then on the wand I have the soap one. Here is the pressure washer wand. You get the trigger there, you got the little kickstand to keep it from accidentally turning on. The pressure washer hose hooks up to the bottom. And there is our soap attachment. So let's get this thing hooked up and give it a shot. Got the truck nice and dirty just for you guys. Everything's all hooked up. We're going to add a little soap and give it a shot. Got the car wash soap in there. Can't really see it, but you'll have to take my word for it. Thought we'd clean up my turtle. I prefer the teenage mutant, ninja kind, but this will have to do. Alright, other than the grass I got back on it, looking pretty clean. The pressure washer hose is just north of 25 feet. Well, that tape measure is still at 25 feet, and we're over here with the power cord. I'm going to guess that's about 35 feet. So there is the TopShak electric pressure washer. Thought I'd leave you with some final thoughts. I have another pressure washer that is rated at 2000 psi, and I didn't notice any difference between that one and this one. So they're either both right or both wrong, but the same as far as I can tell. If we look at the bottom here, the pressure washer end goes here, or the pressure hose, and that's metal, very nice. This side's plastic. Why they made this side out of plastic, I don't know. It's just a little bit loose. I only worry that when you hook up your hose, one, if you cross thread it, you're going to destroy plastic threads. Two, once whack on the side of this thing, and I'd be afraid of breaking off that nub. It does come with, in the video you saw this piece screwed on the end of it. So it was like that. The other thing I noticed, I don't know if we'll be able to show it to you here. When you get this thing, you have to put it together. The metal end there and the base of the gun. So that's the connection point right there. I don't know if I'll be able to see that play that's in there. It wiggles back and forth. You can feel that when you're using it. Now, it didn't leak there or anything, but it's definitely a loose connection. So this is the only time I used it, but I feel like it worked just as well as my other 2000 PSI pressure washer. No better, no worse. Same user experience, I would say. I liked that it has the reel up top. It just has a hanger for the cord, but that's better than nothing. It's on wheels. I would never, ever again get a pressure washer that doesn't have wheels and some way of holding either the power cord or the hose or something, because it's just too much of a pain dragging around the entire thing if it didn't have that. So it worked, but it feels very plasticky, and I kind of worry about that. This whole handle mechanism up here is all plastic. There's 2 or 3 bolts that are holding it right here. The plastic piece we mentioned there, the loose connection there. So durability-wise, I'm not so sure. There it is. Thanks for watching.